welcome back. As you can see here, I've made a new project called ArrayList Demo, because in this lecture I'm going to be talking to you about array lists. So I did set up the project the same way I did the very first project. So File, New Project, leave Kotlin and Groovy unchecked, and then click Create Template from Command Line App. So we've got this set up, and now we're just going to create a new array list. So to get started, first of all, we have to import the ArrayList package, otherwise it won't work. So import, so above public class main, put in import java.util.ArrayList, and then put semicolon at the end of that. Now you can see there that's currently dark because we haven't actually used it yet. Okay, so I'm going to actually, first of all, going to call this list. Apologies, array list string. And then we can call it, I don't know, names equals new array list. Okay, now that's made. Ignore that, sorry, that's just list. That's another thing. Okay, now we can then start adding things to our array list. So, names.add. And now you can add the actual array list. So what you want to add to the array list. Hello. Just make it up. Actually, no, let's do a word. Names.add. What's another name? Sam. Names.add Peter. Now, semicolons at the end of those. Now, we want to print out, for instance, the first system.out.println. So we want to print out the first in the names array list. We just go to names 0. Names 0. Just say names for a second, sorry. Okay, there we go. So as you can see here, the array list, it's on the same line and it's printed out Tom, Sam, Peter in the right order. Now it's actually much easier than using the arrays. If you remember using arrays, you have to use a for loop to go around and print out the whole list, whereas this you just have to add it there and then it prints out here, and you don't have to, it's inbuilt, so it's much easier to use and is a very good improvement. Now, you can also use remove, so you can say names.remove. You can say Peter, removing the object Peter, so then do run. Should print out just Tom and Sam. Yeah, so you can see here, just Tom and Sam has been printed. Peter has been removed, because he's been removed here. So comment here. I don't know if I've covered this before, but comment, you just use 2 slashes and just say here, removed Peter from array list. Okay, and you can also add other names if you want. So names, add Josh. It's weird when you try and add names. Think of names, you can't think of any. Run main. There we go, Tom, Sam and Josh. That's been printed here. So that's all we're covering in this lecture. We'll use this in terms of a more complicated applications later, but this is just an introduction to ArrayList. A new Java edition was introduced 3 or 4 years ago, and it is very useful to use. So see you in the next lecture.